Hello, my name is Vanessa Favors, and I'm coming to you today again to talk to you about a new course that I've put together, Math for Fashion Designers. This is a course that I personally feel we should have created a long time ago. There are so many creative people who struggle with math, and as a result thereof, sometimes they don't get the results that they want. This course is designed to do something very different and special. We have assumed, and when I say we, I'm talking instructors and sometimes even people in the family, that you understand what we're talking about when we say, do you know how to read a ruler? Do you understand geometry and how it's applied in math? Do you understand why you're taking those courses? Well, I remember when I was in high school, I didn't understand why we needed to take algebra. I couldn't understand how I would use algebra when I was in college. I also didn't understand why we were using geometry, but I kind of sort of got it a little bit. Trigonometry, as well as so many other different types of maths, and you're wondering, where am I going to use these? Well, in fashion, there are three types of math that you see over and over again, especially in pattern making, that help you to understand how to make your garment fit properly. The first one is understanding fractions and decimals. I have a sneaky suspicion that a lot of people skip this or they didn't spend enough time with it because there's just too many people who seem to struggle with converting fractions to decimals and understanding how does that look on a ruler. So if I go to you and say, point out 7/16 to me, all of a sudden I've ruined your world because you don't know what that is, you don't know how to find it. Well, that's the first thing that we tackle when you come to this class. And we do it in a very graphic and pictorial way so that once you understand it, you're smooth sailing. The next class deals with geometry. You see, in fashion, everybody obviously does not wear the same size, right? So what happens to the person who is bigger or smaller? Well, they do something called grading. And basically what grading is increasing the size or decreasing the size in proportion. You can have an even grade or you can have a variable grade. But whether you've got the best CAD software in the world, if you don't understand how to put those values into your CAD software, you're still stuck. So we talk again about how that's done, and just like in the first class, you get an assignment that is a picture, and it gives you an opportunity to be able to make that connection. My math for fashion design class is only 3 weeks. You meet 2 times a week or 3 hours for 1 week for 3 weeks. It's a 1.5 hour class, and what we do is show you what those type of measurements look like in a setting that you can apply from now on in math. So come to the class and see if maybe we can help you with that.